In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Autoflow Figma Plugin. Autoflow is a simple, fast way to draw clean connection arrows between your screens so you can map user journeys, illustrate interactions, and present flows without fiddling with vector lines. We'll start by getting the plugin, then we'll run it, connect frames with a shortcut, speed through multiple flows, and finish by polishing the style so your presentation looks crisp. Open Figma and head to Plugins, then browse Plugins in Community. Use the search bar to look up Autoflow and click Install. That's it. Once installed, it's available across your files. To open the plugin, right-click anywhere on the canvas, go to Plugins, and choose Autoflow. A small control panel appears. Keep it in view while you work. It holds the styling controls you'll use later. Now let's connect frames, which is the core of Autoflow. Click your starting frame, the screen where the user begins. Next, click the frame you want to connect to, the next step in the journey. With those two frames selected in sequence, press the Autoflow shortcut, Shift+A. Instantly, a clean arrow appears between them. It snaps neatly from one frame boundary to the other, saving you from manual line drawing and alignment. When you want to map a longer path, keep selecting the next frame and pressing Shift+A each time. Move at a steady rhythm. Click the next destination, press Shift+A, and repeat. In a minute or two, you can outline an entire onboarding flow, checkout path, or error recovery sequence. Zooming out slightly helps you see the overall structure while you connect screen after screen. Before you present, refine the look. In the Autoflow panel, pick whether your lines are straight or curved, choose arrow direction, adjust stroke thickness, and set a color that contrasts well with your backgrounds. Keep your styles consistent across the file so every flow matches and stakeholders aren't distracted by mismatched arrows. Autoflow works beautifully with both wireframes and polished UI. You'll get the best results when each screen sits inside a proper frame and your layout is organized in a grid or a clear left to right or top to bottom sequence. If your layout is messy, your flow lines will be too, so take a moment to space frames evenly and align them. That simple